Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today I'm in a Gunite pool and I'm going to show you guys how to properly water it after this pool has been freshly sprayed with concrete. So stay tuned. All right, and we're back. So I'm here in Phoenix, Arizona at a brand new pool that got shot with concrete less than 24 hours ago. So now the proper watering scale is to water this thing 3 times a day for 1 to 2 weeks. Depending on the weather outside and everything else, ask your pool builder how long they want you to do it for. But what I'm gonna go over today is how to show you guys how to properly water this thing. You're gonna see a lot of videos out there that say don't use a spray nozzle, don't use this, don't use that. I'm a big fan of using a spray nozzle. So what I'm a big fan of is if you have these multi ones, the shower mode. I always recommend put it on the shower mode. That way you're not sitting here all day trying to go into every little crack, but it actually evenly coats the concrete. You guys are unsure on how the concrete Gunite, the Shotcrete process is actually done. I'm gonna input a video right now so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. So let's see if my guys at the office can throw it in right now. Yeah, that's how this pool was installed pretty much. So concrete was sprayed in and now it looks like this. So starting process, I'm gonna click this thing over to shower. So shower looks like that. It's a nice shower. And all you're gonna do is every square inch of this concrete, you're gonna give it a shower. You're just gonna sit here and you're gonna spray it down. Start with the top, then work your way down. So I'm gonna do the top and the sides and then I'll work my way on the floor last. So this is probably something you're not gonna watch every minute of me. So let's do a cool little fast forward loop with some awesome music. All right guys, so we're done watering this pool now. So as you can tell, this pool gets real wet after we're done watering it down. So the big thing that people always have a question on is there's a big puddle down there. I mean, I've seen it sometime where the puddle gets this deep. It's no big deal. It's actually good for the curing process. So to keep your concrete hydrated is part of the curing process. We don't want this thing to suck it up too dry because it causes stress cracks in the concrete. So the more you water it, the better it is for the concrete. If you guys are in hotter locations like it is in Phoenix, Arizona, right now is a bad time, a bad example for it because right now it's kind of chilly here, but usually it's about 120 degrees in the summer. Water it, water the heck out of your concrete. It's no big deal if it gets a puddle. Some pumps will pump it right out when the next step has to happen. So yeah, so today I showed you guys how to properly water your concrete. Again, we recommend 3 times a day for 7 to 14 days. Yeah, I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.